Hi, my name is Sachi and welcome to week 2 of the One Room Challenge. If you're new here, we are participating in a design and renovation event where over 8 weeks we will transform our old master bathroom into something new and awesome. Week 2 was a big week for framing, so we changed the entrance to our bathroom. We created a little bit more of a functional flow. We framed up our walk-in closet, which was really awesome to see. We also now have a standing shower, whereas before we used to have a tub. We added a little pony wall next to the toilet and switched out our old jealousy window for a new vinyl window. So we really wanted to splurge a little bit on the shower, so we decided to go with Delta shower fixtures in champagne bronze. One debate that we had this week was where exactly the fixtures were gonna go. So my husband Mike really wanted some shower jets. We've never had that before, so we said why not? So he wanted to do 4 shower jets. When we kind of held up our little pieces of paper as visuals to see what 4 would look like, I thought it looked a little too busy. So I want 3. So we ended up taking a poll on Instagram and I ended up winning, so 3 shower jets it is. For the entrance to our bathroom, we are going to have a pocket door. And the main reason I wanted to do that is so the inside of our bedroom has a little bit more real estate on the walls. So we decided to go with the Johnson hardware pocket door kit, and that went up this week. We have really high ceilings in our bathroom. We knew we wanted to go with a 96-inch door. Now that's not usually a size that's carried in stock at our local hardware store. However, I checked on Facebook Marketplace and I found a solid wood door 96 inches, which was perfect. So that was a score. I also sanded and stained it this week. I ended up deciding to keep it a neutral tone, so I basically just did a clear coat on it, and that is ready to go and to be hung next week. So if you want to follow along and see the next 8 weeks or so for all the One Room Challenge videos, go ahead and click subscribe below. I also post a lot of DIY and design tutorials, so if you like that kind of stuff, you don't want to miss out, click subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week with the next update.